So the program is about anywhere from 1 to 3 years. All throughout the years, we're going to learn the most popular process, the welding and cutting. So you're looking at about maybe 5 different processes of welding, 3 different processes of cutting. We learn different types of materials. And all the work that we do here and all the training and the practice is geared towards students getting employed. We're also a partner with Northern Virginia Community College to be a dual enroll program. And we offer a certification for industry credentials for our students by American Welding Society. It's the AWSN. So that's a nationally recognized certification. Now that is going to get them a job placement as a welder 1. As soon as they leave high school, they can directly go into the industry and start working as a welder.
So this certification is important because it allows you to save money. You do it in high school, you don't waste time outside of high school doing it, and it just really fast tracks your progress.
I took the welding classes because it gives me a good chance to get a job in the future as opposed to having to go to college and take another 4 years of classes. I'm working on the AWS certification, which means that basically it's evidence that I know how to weld well, and it gives me a higher chance at being hired.
So when a student comes in here, it's all about helping them to be successful, not only as a welder, but also when they leave here to be successful in the industry.
While you were here filming us, I passed my AWS-10 certification. These last 2 years have just been dedicated towards getting certifications, and yeah, I'm really excited. I have a job lined up and I'm going to start 2 weeks after graduation.